Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making banana pie. Now this recipe is from my childhood. I'm trying to combine two recipes into one using banana cream pie and Nilla Wafers. So I'm thinking I'll call it Banilla Pie. We'll see how it turns out. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Please remember, smoosh the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans, and we do have a Facebook group, Omnia, Stovetop Oven Fans, and of course, our cookbook is available on Amazon, Outdoor Cooking with Edie.
And there's an ebook.
And there's an ebook. Now, I am ready to make this banana cream pie, banana pie, vanilla thing. Let me know in the comments what I should call it and what it most resembles. A custard, a pie, something in between. Let's cook.